Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'm going to discuss about data processing. So let's start it. Data processing. So first thing I'm going to discuss about data. Data is a collection of raw facts and figure. There are different sources from where we get data that is in a raw form. So we cannot take any kind of decision by using data. So if we want to take any kind of decision for our company or organization, we should have to process this data into useful information, and we take decision by using useful information. The process of converting data into useful information, that is called data processing. When we get data from different sources, the data is in raw form. Then we should have to process it. When we process this raw data into useful information, this process is called data processing. So let's we start it now. Point number 1: a process of collecting, inputting and processing raw data based on a set of requirements or instructions to produce useful information. When we collect data, input data and process that data into useful information to be used by the organization in decision making, so that the organization use this information for making any kind of decision, that process is called data processing. If we look at the diagram, then we can say that first thing is data, second process is processing, and third step is information. Data is take it as an input and information take it as an output. So the basic definition of data processing: the process of converting data into useful information, that is called data processing. So now the lecture is over. Like this video, share this video and comment below this video if you have any question. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Focus Group. Allah Hafiz.